Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. That way you'll be subscribed to all our videos we got coming out. All right, we are finishing up with Sapphire Weekend, and we're going to continue it on a little bit with a little more food fight this week, and we'll get some other stuff in there. But we're going to take that into Collector 10 Weekend. So we got some Collector 10s coming at you for this weekend. So make sure you stay tuned and check us out. All right, today we got another Garbage Pail Kids 10 going for you. And before we do that, leave us a comment and get into two of our drawings. One for the March mystery drawing and one for our flawless giveaway that we're doing. So leave a comment, you'll get entered into this. And as always, with all our Hobby Box breaks, we are going to throw in some stuff into this flawless case. It's just getting bigger and bigger. Check out the video at the end to see what's half of what's in there. So we got a celebrity chef card from Food Fight, a green parallel, a blue parallel, a yellow parallel, and a sapphire card from the Sapphire Weekend. So this bad boy and all of these are going into the flawless case. So leave a comment, get into these drawings. You're gonna like it. Don't forget to check us out on Twitter at Hobby Breaks. So check us out at Hobby Breaks on Twitter. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you want to see opened up, and we'll try to get to you. We did that review of the bar one recently, and you know, it's our second review. But we got some oddball stuff coming up this week, so buckle up. It's gonna be a weird ride, and but we'll get some good stuff like some Food Fight in for this whole week. So if you see an oddball, don't think that'll be the norm. All right, let's see what we got here. We got Food Hall, Impossible Irving, and a Filet for our celebrity chefs. Ready. These tins are fun. Made a couple of sets already out of these too. We got a fingernail for our booger parallel. Bad food bread. I was building sets all day and just don't remember that card. And then we got a fermented Frida for our green parallel. I think out of these tins, we pulled a couple of gold cards. Call it Fool's Gold. We haven't had an auto yet, or a sketch card. Green parallel, and then we got a yellow parallel. Is anybody else pulling sketch cards and autos out of the tins? The small tins? I know the collector's tins you are, but I'm not sure about these guys. Oh, we got an Adam Appetite, so cool digital card in our collector's 10 weekend coming up. We'll stick a bunch of those in the flawless case for you. Hydrate tape, green parallel. Logan Lobby. Barf Out Owl. got a yellow parallel, and a Quaker Quinn, and a regular based Quaker Quinn. I think that's always fun when they give you the one right after the other. And a Grady Grapefruit, Booger Parallel, and last pack. Come on, give us something good. And an Insect Isaac for our green parallel there. All right, a blended Billy, not bad, not bad. And a Zap Zach, we got an auto in one of our collector's tin from him, so check out that video. And hit us up on Twitter at Hobby Breaks. And thanks for watching, guys. More Food Fact coming at you.